Hey everyone, in this video, let's see how you can add bookmark folders to your Twitter bookmarks using Tweetsmash. First, to add the bookmarks folder, you can either click on the tag icon in the mesh, or else you can go to the label section where you can see all the added bookmark folders here. To add, just click on the tag icon and add your tags or folders here. For example, I consider this tweet as a life lesson. So I'm just adding life lesson or life advice to this tweet. You can see the added tweets either in the top or also in the side neighbor. I can see the life advice here, and all the tweets under these labels will be shown up. Not only this, Tweetsmash supports smart folders, that which is you can group similar authors or similar tags together. To do that, go to the smart folder section, and in the custom recipes you can create from authors or labels, or from the advanced options, which is a combination of authors, labels, and also keywords. For example, I'm creating a new recipe for it's like a Thibaut tweets, filtering the author Thibaut. And for say, if you want any keywords, you can add here, and you can see the filtered count of tweets, and you can also send it as an email digest to read it at your convenient or free time. So just click on create recipe. So within fraction of seconds, here you see all the tweets with the author are shown up. You can see in the sidebar all the tweets of your created smart folders. Once you created it, the Tweetsmash will automatically add all the tweets if you bookmark in the future also. Not only this, Tweetsmash also has an inbuilt smart folders like pick it from a favorite authors, or picks from topics and viral picks and recent bookmarks. You can also sync all your Twitter Blue folders to this Tweetsmash. To do that, just go to the sync to apps, click on import, click on sync bookmark folders, and it will take you to Twitter. You can see the text sync in progress here, and within just 2 minutes of time, you can see all your folders or sync to Tweetsmash. So just go back to Tweetsmash and you can see all the labels or folders in this section. That's it. See you soon. Bye bye.